I am Saiten and welcome back to channel Saitech. In today's video, do the battery draining test on the Realme X7 Max device by playing the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay at 90 FPS. Yes friends, I'm going to do this kind of 90 FPS gameplay test for 1 hour non-stop. So let's see how much temperature it can actually increase and how much battery percentage also it can actually drain. So we do know the PUBG and the Battlegrounds mobile got upgraded to the 90 FPS. And even recently the Realme X7 Max also went under the upgrade, which is the 8.16. So this will be the really good example for other users how much battery is draining. You will get a clear idea about it. I'll just play for 1 hour only friends during this time, because I need to spend a lot of time in comparing and speed test with other smartphones. So more than this 1 hour at this moment is kind of really difficult. So let's see in the 1 hour how much the battery will get drained. So right now the battery is of 86%, as you can see clearly. And during this time I will connect the earphones. So I'll try to play the game. So connecting the earphones, and right now we can actually play with the 90 FPS in the Battlegrounds mobile without any problem. But only few users were able to do that kind of thing. So I did make a video on that particular topic as well, how you can actually play the 90 FPS. Let me try to use the same trick here as well. As you can see friends, right now I'm getting the 90 FPS perfectly. So we should be able to see the 90 FPS as well. Let me try to open the settings. So this is a non-stop game which I'll try to play right now. And right now the time has been started and the battery percentage is of 86%. And during this time the temperature I did leave up to 60%. As you can see, this is my normal temperature, which brightness is of 60%, not the temperature. So let me show you exactly the settings what I'm trying to use. So 90 FPS, as you can see, absolutely 90 FPS, perfect. So now let's check the temperature. 33 degrees, 33.4, not bad. So 32 degrees, 33. I'm getting at this point 33.6, 33. As you can see, everywhere it's 33. My room temperature is also 29 degrees. So now we'll be able to get to know friends, for 1 hour if you try to play the game, how much battery will it decrease. That is what I'm going to show you. But meanwhile I'll try to even do a little kind of gameplay as well, just to make you aware what is happening. And right now here you can see the 90 FPS, it's coming perfectly fine. As you can see, now you will be able to see it. So make sure to comment below friends in case how much is your battery is draining. If you play the Battlegrounds mobile for 1 hour, how much it's your draining. That is what I'm going to check here in the comment section below. So let me to use the gyroscope sensor as well. Already use a gyroscope sensor. Let me try to use always. Let's see how it is working. That is what I'm going to check first. Gyroscope sensor, as you can see, there's no issues. It's working perfectly fine. It's smooth. As you can see friends, it's working 100%. As you can see, it's working really great, no issues till now. So I'll try to update you friends on this kind of topic. In case if you have any other issues, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. So mainly I'll try to focus on the temperatures, and next thing I'll try to focus on the battery as well. So maybe I can be back after a couple of 20 minutes or maybe 30 minutes of continuously playing this game. So first I'm trying to play a couple of team deathmatch, and then I'll try to play the normal match as well in the testing. Right now I'm trying to play a bit kind of not that bad, but I'll try to. I'm practicing right nowadays friends to play the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. So it's been a really while playing the game. I used to play a lot of PC games, not the mobile games. So PC games, my favorite game is CSGO. I used to play like a lot, but nowadays because of this busy schedule, I was unable to play the CSGO. So till now there's no problem with the phone. I was able to get perfectly alright. I think 90 FPS is still there. So you should be able to know by looking at this 120 Hz refresh rate graph. By looking at the graph you will be able to know. So right now I was able to play exactly as you can see friends. So I'll be playing continuously only with the 90 FPS, only non-stop for 1 hour. So this will be a really good test after the software update. This is the first time doing this kind of testing. So a lot of users, they do have the idea before the software update but not after the software update. So till now, no problem, no issues. So let's see how much the heat can actually can generate. That is what I'm going to concentrate. So it was really good, friends, playing this game at this kind of 90 FPS. So as you can see, so far I was able to play it really smooth without any issues in this 90 FPS in this phone. It's really smooth playing the game. So hopefully the Realme should fix this kind of bug as soon as possible, and they can definitely fix. So a lot of users, they should definitely report this kind of problem to the Realme as soon as possible. That is what I was expecting. Alright, right now the time is about close to 5 minutes of time. 5 minutes of time, as you can see, the temperature increases 37 degrees. As you can see, temperature is 37 degrees, not bad. And the back side, the temperature is 35 degrees. As you can see, friends, 35 and 36 on the back side. 37, 37.4 and 35, not bad. And the battery dropout to right now 83%. As you can see, friends, 83. I think we did start around 86%. So 86% is the exact when we started. Right now it's 83%. That's kind of strange. It's decreasing 3% for just 5 minutes. I need to test it a little bit more. Let's see how much total it can actually decrease. That's what I'm going to see. It's going to be really interesting. Not bad. So still I'm basic in the beginning as a gamer, so definitely I'll try to improve as much as possible. So it's done. Final kill is from the side. So that's kind of strange in the battery. So I'm trying to keep an eye on the battery as well. That's another thing. So just a couple of users, they did inform me that battery is kind of really draining a lot while playing the BGMI game. That is the reason I thought of taking a step and doing the test for 1 hour and clarifying your doubts. So this will be a really good test. So I'll try to play the couple of matches of the team net match as well, and then I'll try to shift to the classic match. So maybe for 30 minutes. So for 30 minutes I'll try to play this team net match and 30 minutes classic match. So this should be kind of equal. So just a couple of minutes ago, I think a couple of hours ago, I did do the live streaming using the Realme X7 Max while playing the game. So in case if you haven't watched, you can check this video. So right now, yeah, it was kind of good. Still I'm playing at 90 FPS only, and the battery dropped to the 82%. As you can see, 82% from 86. Okay, from 86 it dropped to 82%. So 4% got dropped within 8 minutes of time. Something kind of really strange is happening, I think, at this point. I think few of the comments which I got regarding the battery draining a lot in this phone, that is what it's happening. So let's see. So that is what I'm going to do, friends, right now, checking. So I did connect the earphones only, not in I'm playing in loudspeaker. So meanwhile, if you have any other doubts, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. So next game, maybe I need to check the Genshin Impact game. I need to do the Genshin Impact gameplay as well. Let me try to do it. and still I'm getting same kind of FPS during this time. I think it's really smooth playing the game. But let's check the temperatures after exactly 10 minutes. I'll try to check the 10 minutes, not now. Maybe I'll try to check exactly around 10 minutes of time, then we'll be able to judge the temperature, how much it got increased and how much battery percentage also got decreased. So let's see the temperatures right now on the back side. 37.8, not bad, and front side 38.4. So 39.2. So 39.2 is the highest, as you can see friends, 39.2. So everywhere it's kind of okay, I would say. 38.4 and 38 degrees. So it's kind of close to 39 degrees, 39 kind of degrees, it's kind of close. And battery percentage, it decreased by 5%. As you can see friends, 5% got decreased. 5. So for just 10 minutes of gaming, just 10 minutes, 5% decreased. So if I try to continue like this, so in 30 minutes, it will drain by 15%. In 1 hour, it will drain by 30%. So by using this 90 FPS, I'm trying to play friends, 90 FPS. So maybe in this way you'll be able to play 3 hours of gaming in the Realme X7 Max if you try to play this kind of game. Oh, I think the battery draining is there, not only in your phone, in many of other phones also they are facing this kind of issues. Battery draining, yes, absolutely. So what are the problems I got, what are the messages I got? I think it's kind of really true and accurate, I think so. Even after the update 8.16, the battery draining will be there in this phone. So now what I'll try to do, I'll try to shift maybe to the normal 60 Hz and I'll try to play, not the 90 Hz. So 90 FPS, not 90 FPS. Right now it decreased to 80%. It's kind of draining a lot. It's draining a lot. Let me try to change to one thing, smooth and extreme. Let's see what will happen with the smooth and extreme, just for only 10 minutes of sake. As you can see, smooth and extremes I have selected in both. Right now the real-time FPS will get only 60 FPS. As you can see friends on the top, you should be seeing only 60, not more than that. But let's see, only for 10 minutes I just want to try. So if my guess was correct, the battery should drain only maybe for the next 10 minutes. It should come from 80, should come only to 77 for the next 10 minutes. That is what I was expecting. 77. If it comes anything more than that, then definitely there is some kind of serious battery draining problems in this phone. That is what I can definitely say that. So let's see how the phone will be handling this kind of battery, and temperature is also another key thing which I need to keep an eye. $60 FPS, not bad. This match is going to be really tough one, I think. No, for me, I'm just a beginner friends, so I'm not that intense kind of gaming. So 79% dropped, 79 for the first few minutes only. I'm trying to check each and every small percentage as well, just to show you how much battery is draining. That is what I'm trying to do right now. The temperature is not increasing much. No, the temperature is not increasing much. I cannot see much increase in the temperatures during this time of testing. It's not that much increasing at this point. Let's see. Not bad. So right now it's kind of close to 15 minutes of exactly continuously playing. Let's see how much the temperature can be there. I'm so much busy in playing. So right now the time is kind of close to, I think, 15 minutes exactly. So let's check the temperatures right now. 15 minutes, 38 degrees. As you can see, the temperature is not increasing. So there is no problem with the temperature, friends. No issues with the temperature. But the battery is the one which is concerning me. So it's kind of right now 79%, not bad, 79. So around 12 minutes, I think around 13 minutes, I did change it to 60 years instead of 90. So around 12 minutes, I think so. Just now the battery decreased to 78. As you can see, friends, I think for every 2 minutes or 3 minutes, 1% of the battery is decreasing. Yes, for every 3 minutes, 1% of the battery is decreasing in the Realme X7 Max when you're trying to play the game BGMI. So even in the 60 FPS as well, in the 90 FPS it's decreasing more in the 90 FPS. So let's see what will happen after some time. Right now we are getting close to kind of 20 minutes. So again the 77% decreased to 77, as you can see, 77% the battery. So I think within just close to 20 minutes of time it dropped up by 10% within just 20 minutes of time. So 20 minutes of time, so dropped by 10%. So if you take into the consideration, so for 1 hour there can be drop of close to 25% in 1 hour. So if you play at 60 FPS, so if you play at 60, if you play at 90, it will definitely drop a lot of battery. Yes. So right now I'm still playing at only 60 FPS, friends. I did not change to 90 FPS at this moment. As you can see exactly, it's showing only 55 and 60, not 90 or 80. I think overall if you try to play at 60 FPS, you may see a little bit less battery drain, but if you play at 90 FPS, definitely you will be seeing more battery. So only 4% did decrease during this time. If you play at 90, 6% is decreased for 10 minutes of time. So I'll try to do the math. So if you try to use the 90 FPS, so then there will be decrease of close to, I think, for 10 minutes 6% of the battery, 5% of the battery, and if you play at 60 FPS, then there will be only 4% of the battery. So for every 2 minutes 1% will drain, If you use a 90, if you use 60, for every 3 minutes it will drain. 3 or 4 minutes. So right now, as you can see, friends, we are getting close to 76 percentage decreased. Right now, just now it decreased to 76, as you can see here. So I think for 10 minutes I played. 10 minutes the battery dropped by I think close to 4% of the battery. If you try to use the 60 FPS, let me try to change to the 90 FPS, which I'm trying to use like before. And I'll try to continue the game from now. And the temperatures, let's see. Temperature is really great. It's not increasing much, not at all. That's really wonderful. So maybe after this update there might be the more battery draining, but let's temperatures. So 23 minutes of time right now. Again, I'll be back after a couple of minutes, friends. So I don't want to make this video really lengthy and kind of really long. So right now, as you can see, friends, I'm trying to play continuously for the match, the BGM Battlegrounds mobile gameplay in the Realme X7 Max, and now it's the time is about 30 minutes, close to, as you can see, exactly 30 minutes right now. So I did play for 30 minutes first, 30 minutes using the team deathmatch, and this is a classic match which I'm trying to play right now. So using the 90 FPS. So only the 90 FPS I'm trying to use. As you can see, the real-time FPS I'm getting only 85 at this moment, 85 and 88. As you can see clearly, I'm getting 88. So let's check the temperatures first. 36 degrees, not bad, and the battery percentage dropped to 73% for the 30 minutes of time. As you can see, 73%. So from 86 it dropped to 73. So overall the battery percentage decreased by 86 to 13%. So 13% for only 30 minutes of time. So this is going to be really interesting, friends. Let's see in this classic match how much the battery percentage will it decrease in this phone. That is what I'm going to check. And I'll try to continue this kind of classic match for the next 30 minutes. And again, I'll be back exactly around close to maybe 59 minutes or 55 minutes. Then we can actually discuss about the battery, how much it got drained, and how much the temperature is also increased. And one thing quick, I can definitely say that yes, there is a battery draining is slightly more, but you're getting the benefit of using the 90 FPS. So that's kind of advantage. I'll try to do complete battery drain starting from 100 to 0%. Using this kind of 90 FPS settings. So make sure to stay tuned for those interesting updates. So temperatures are not increasing much, but the battery is draining a little bit kind of more. That's one thing which I can definitely notice. And finally the battery percentage decreases to 72%. And again, I'll be back after close to 1 hour of time. Then we can actually discuss in more details. So right now, as you can see, we are getting kind of close to exactly 1 hour of continuously non-stop playing the game. So right now, as you can see, let's see the FPS, how much it will be dropping when I'm trying to exactly drop test, as you can see. So right now we are getting about close to 88 FPS, 85, so 90 kind of thing, and let's see what will happen now. 89. I'm not sure how accurate this kind of thing, 78 as well sometimes. But right now, let me just show you exactly the battery percent, how much it decreased. Right now, it's of 62%, as you can see, even 62. So I did play the couple of classic match as well, and 36 degrees. So temperature, no doubt. It's not a problem at all. But only problem is regarding the battery. So how much battery is decreasing, that's kind of really not acceptable. But still, I'm playing it at 90 FPS. So that's like one thing other you can actually consider 90 FPS as well. Let's see friends, how much the battery will be draining exactly for 1 hour. I'm trying to test right now. So in case if you have any other queries regarding this Realme X7 Max, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I will be able to help you out. As you can see right now, not bad. So it's kind of getting close to 1 hour of non-stop playing. As you can see friends, 1 hour. So in the middle there was some power cut, but still only for a few minutes only the power was cut. So in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And exactly 1 hour I'm going to show you how much the battery got dropped during this time of testing. That is what I'm waiting for, exact 1 hour. So I think for 1 hour the battery dropped to 61%, as you can 61. So from 86 I started friends, from 86 I started, right now it's of 61%. So I think overall 25% has got decreased in just 1 hour of gaming with the 90 FPS. So 25% of the battery got decreased, yes, 25%. That's the one thing which a lot of just mentioning. So overall the temperature is not that much. Temperature should be kind of close to 36 and 37 degrees only during this time of gameplay. So 1 hour, and in case if you want me to do any other videos, definitely let me know in the comment section. I'll try to do my best to post the video as soon as possible. And these are training tests after the software update A.16. Yes, A.16, these are the training tests, and battery seems to be slightly draining more than usual as well. That is the one thing which I did notice during this time of testing. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, see you. Bye.